Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present a legal news about Teresa Kok wins defamation suit awarded 80k ringgit damages. Okay, classification of law involved in this case is civil law. Why is it civil law? I will explain to you later. This category of law deals with the private rights and obligations which arise between individuals which has nothing to do with the state. So in this case, there are two individuals who dealt with private rights, which is Teresa Kok and Sharhan Humaizi. Who is Teresa Kok? Teresa Kok is actually a minister under DAP, which is a political party, and Sharhan Humaizi also a politician under PAS, also a political party. Okay, next, facts of the case. Teresa Kok claims a defamation against Sharhan Humaizi Abdul Halim on February 4, 2019. Why she claims a defamation? Because the defamatory words in two articles published in Facebook of Selangor PAS Youth Head, among others, meant that she was anti-Islam, racist, and abused her power as a minister as well as unethical and cannot be trusted. Okay, the court which heard the case was the High Court in Kuala Lumpur High Court, and the judge who held the court case was Muhammad Firuz Jafril. Okay, the parties involved in this case were Teresa Kok Sohsim as the plaintiff and Sharhan Humaizi Abdul Halim as the defendant. The court decision. The judge, Muhammad Firuz Jafril, allowed the defamation claims by Teresa Kok against Sharhan because the judge did not agree with the defense of the defendants that Teresa Kok was an anti-Islam just because she against the Jawi writing on the road signs, and she gave support to the beer festival that was held in Kuala Lumpur. Because of that, Teresa Kok awarded 80k ringgit for damages after winning a defamation suit against Sharhan Humaizi over articles published in the Facebook account of the Selangor PAS Youth Head. Okay, four legal terminologies that I've identified in this case are damages, defamation, judgment, and also statement of defense. Okay, what is defamation? Defamation is the act of making untrue statement about another which damage his or her reputation. So, the act of defamation we can see in this case when Sharhan accused Teresa Kok as an anti-Islam in which he has no ground or baseless fact. Next, damages. What is damages? Damages is attempt in measure in financial terms the extent of harm a plaintiff has suffered because of a defendant's action. So, in this case, damages is the negative reputation that Teresa Kok received as a minister. Next, judgment, the final decision by a court in a lawsuit. So the one so the one who the one who made the judgment in this case obviously was the head judge, Muhammad Firuz Jafril. And next, statement of defense. A defendant's written answer responding to a plaintiff's statement of claim where the defendant addresses each issue and either admits or denies each claim. So, in this case, the statement of defense was made by Sharhan, alleged that the first article published by him in the Facebook was based on fact. And secondly, it was reasonable political reaction against DAP. And thirdly, the article did not slander the plaintiff. That is why the defendant, which is Sharhan, made the statement of defense. Okay, moral of the case that we can get in this case, firstly, we have to use our social media tactfully, use proper words, and not to share any uncertain news that we don't know its validity because it will lead to defamation, or indirectly it will give negative reputation towards the individual. And secondly, even though we have different political opinions or views, we shall not issue any statement blindly to the public, just like what Sharhan Humaizi did to Teresa Kok. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.